Hello everyone, I'm David Ross from Carrollton, Mississippi. I've been building calls for over 20 years. Today we're going to talk about some of the different types of pot calls that are out here today. We're going to start with a basic slate call. It's been around for years. It's where the pot call originated, with a slate. It tends to have more of a mellower, softer sound. And that's really where the pot call started, is with a slate. But it's progressed a lot over the last few years in looks and shape, woods. You can see them in laminate woods, all kind of woods now. They've come a long way. And in that process, we've gone from a slate, and this all come from competition callers. That's where these calls grow, is competition callers, building calls to compete on that next level up. And we went from slate to a glass call to get a higher, more realistic sound. And they've come a long way. And you can see it's higher pitched, higher front end. That's what a competition caller. And it also, birds sound off to that higher pitch, that higher front end better also, I think. But I myself, being a competition caller, we're always looking for that next level. And that next level has gone to crystal. This is the same crystal that you see in your fine china. And it is taking the pot call to a brand new level. It's higher, it's raspier, and it really has turkey sound. You know, these things change every day. I mean, I work in the shop every day to come up with the next level of pot call. Who knows what they'll be 2 or 3 years from now. But when you look for a pot call, if you want that real turkey sound, that's what you want. You want to look for a good high-end call, possibly a custom call. There are some great ones on the market, production calls, or you might want to go with a truly handmade custom call, but buy a good high quality call to start with.